Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight of One True Legends. Today we are here in Willesden Green in the London Borough of Brent in North West London. So without further ado, let's take off. Alright, so drone's up in the sky, as you can see. Nice sunny day. I just done a drone flight in Dollis Hill and now I've come here in London Borough of Brent. Let's go up to the max height and we're going to explore this area. So, just going to go to the max height and we're going to do a 360-degree photo. Before that, I done a drone flight in Stepney Green in the London Borough of Tower Hamlets, and this drone flight is completely solar powered. So every drone flight today I've done completely solar powered. I mean solar charged, my solar charged power bank, of course. We're going to do a 360-degree photo. I'm just going to zip around Willesden Green. All right, 360-degree photo is now complete. Let's just zip around Willesden Green. So what we're going to do, we're just going to go. Where should we go first? Spoiled for choice here. Look, let's go down there because we've got 360 angle. Let's explore the neighbourhood of Willesden Green. Just gonna go up to down here. Got a high road now over here. Let's explore this area. And we've got a crane over here. I think that's the same crane that we flew in Dollis Hill. I think Dollis Hill is not far from here at all. We're next door to Dollis Hill, next station. One station away. Explore this area down there. Then what we'll do, we're just starting back now. Explore this area down there. Willesden Green. So let's just explore this little area, there's a little corner over here. Let's just explore the neighbourhood of Willesden Green. This is a neighbourhood. That's a bit of a side wind from the gimbal. Gimbal's causing that. Let's go to this area down there. What's this area? Look at that. Nice little central area. Let's make that our focus. Why is this happening, man? It's not even that windy today, and I think up there it's windy, that's why. I'm getting a lot of wind up there. We'll just go towards this area down there. Let's go towards this area down there. We'll do that after. First, what I want to do, I want to go to the area down here. So there's a train right there. Solar panels on the roof there as well. Nice little shot of this neighbourhood. Let's see what's down there. We've got a nice little building over here. Actually, we'll go there after because we're in the other side. I'm gonna fly from this side. Look at the trees are all bloomed. Look at that, amazing little shot in sunny April. Sunny Willesden Green. Man said April because I was referring to the month. Let's just check out this neighbourhood. Let's go towards this area. Look at that nice little neighbourhood. That'll be a bit too far if you go down there. So we've got 2 trains over here. We've got a short train right over there. I think that's a Chilterns Railway train because that usually runs through this area. Let's go towards this area now. Let's see what's down there. Look at that, nice little building over here. Get a shot of this train over here. That's the station of Willesden Green. Look at that, amazing shot. Get a shot of this area down here. Goes around. Around this area, it's quite slow. Let's get a static shot while I walk through. I'm gonna go to the far end. I'm in the far end now. So get a better view of the drone. Yep, we've got a proper view of the drone now. Because I went to the other end so we can get a view of that drone on that side, and now we're on this side. Right there. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're just going to get a shot of this area down there. Let's get a shot from this angle. We haven't gone this way. Now is the time to do proper drone flights because look, the weather is much better now. So that's the Sainsbury's. Look at that. We've got Sainsbury's here. Are those solar panels or is that the window? I think that's the rooftop window. Either way, it looks kind of cool. We even got a cell phone mast for 4G and 5G. What we'll do, let's get a shot of this area down there. Let's go towards this way now. We haven't been this way. Let's get a shot of the whole neighbourhood of Willesden Green. Unparalleled flying from car parks because you get shots of everything. You get to a 360 view of the neighbourhood. So I'm basically exploring the whole of Willesden Green. by doing this. It's so sick. Look at that nice green shot. Trees everywhere. It's officially started to bloom now. Looks amazing. Let's go down towards here. Get a shot of that red car going towards here. We haven't gone to this area yet. What's down in here? What we'll do, come back towards here. Look at that, sick shot. Where have we not gone? I believe we haven't gone here yet. Let's go towards here. Amazing. Look at that. Go down towards here to get a nice shot of it. Shot of the drone. Look at that. Got a building over here. Nice little green shot. This area. Go towards there, this area. Alright, got a proper shot now. Look at that, look at this area down there. Go towards there. Get a static shot of this area. It's that area down there. If we carry on going forward, we might go a bit far. I'm just only going to go as far as here, and that's it. We can just turn back now out of the area, neighbourhood. Come back down the same road. I'm gonna go towards this area now. Nice little shot of Willesden Green I got today. Completely no cloud in the sky whatsoever today. What's going on down there? Anyway, yeah, we'll go a bit too low then. Let's get a shot of this area down there. Look, it genuinely does look like solar panels all right there. Maybe it is solar panels. Let's get a local shot of Willesden Green. I want to go back to the station area again. The question is, have we been down here before? I don't think we have. Got a nice clear shot of it. Go back to the station area. Look at that. Amazing shot of the station. Got the Jubilee line and then we've got the Metropolitan line coming right there. Look at that. Let's follow the Metropolitan line. Let's go fast. We can't go as fast because it's a bit windy. Going on towards this area. Let's explore this little bridge over here. Got another Metropolitan line train going through here. It's a fast train, so just skip through the stations from Finchley Road, go straight to Wembley Park, and from Wembley Park it just carries on. What we'll do, we'll come back now, go down towards this road, explore this little road. Look at these round trees, look at that. Amazing. Have you gone down this road? I don't think so. Let's go down this road. Willesden Lane. Got solar panels right there as well. I talk about solar panels a lot in these videos. Like, guess let's just calm down with solar panels. Well, it looks like there's police present in this area. Why is the police present? There's something going on there. When I walked past there, this did not happen. It looks like something's going on in this area. Let's get a nice close-up shot. When it's windy, the breeze goes in the face. Let's get a close-up shot of this clock tower. I haven't gone this close before. Alright, before we went into problems, I think we just got to land now. I don't want to risk it. Alright, let's just land. I have to get a shot of the clock tower, but I'm not going to risk that because the drone could face winds suddenly. I don't know what's going on there, but let's land the drone now. Get a last shot of Willesden Green before we land. Look at that, sick shot. Let's land the drone now. Amazing little drone shot in Willesden Green in the London Borough of Brent in northwest London. I hope you enjoyed this little drone flight of mine. And yeah, I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.